Hi guys, try to see this set of two pendant lights for reviewing purposes. I'm gonna take it out of in here, the box. You can see they're really nice. In a second, okay, they have come really well protected with, you can see, foam and this plastic bag. I think it's really nice. Also this bubble wrap, and this is the base. Okay, as you can see, they have a golden and black finish with the crystal parts being like this clouded white, which I think it's really nice. They look beautiful. As I said, it's a set but of two lights. Okay, you can adjust the height of them. I'm gonna set them irregularly, and they're really nice. So let's go ahead and start installing it. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. I think they are really nice. When we turn the light on, you can see that it turns on, okay, which I think it's perfect. And if we turn it off and on again, we can see that it changed the temperature. Now it's like a colder white. Let's do it again, and a warmer white, which I think it's really nice. Having to adjust it like this and not having a dimmer, I think it's really convenient, really easy, and they are really nice. You can see how beautiful they look with well, cloudy white crystal, which I think it's perfect, and it will do an amazing job in your kitchen island, in the living room, wherever you want to place them. I think they are gonna be a great option, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.